Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Singly Linked List with Python series. Now in the earlier episode we have seen a lot of stuff. Now in this episode we are going to see how to search for a given key in a linked list in recursive way, and we have defined a linked list here, and let us add a few members here in that linked list. Okay, now list has got 4 members 6, 4, 7, 2, and let us go ahead and print that list. So 7, 4, 6, 2 are the members. Now we are going to write a procedure which is outside of the definition of the class of linked list. Earlier whatever we have written, they were the part of this class and those were methods. Now we are going to write a standalone function that is going to accept that linked list as an object. So let us say def search rec. So this is the recursive search self.li. So here this li is the linked list object, and here I'm going to say key, and if not li, it means that if that linked list is empty, then return false. And let us check the next condition. If li dot data equals to given key, then return true, return self dot search li dot next comma key. That's it. It is very easy. Basically we are checking if it is empty, then return false, and if we find the data in that particular node, then it is fine, return true. Otherwise return the result of self.search, and then we are actually passing the next node and the same key. Now the driver code is also very simple. I'm just going to say li or list. Sorry, we don't have to actually call the object. We just have to say search rec and li dot or list dot head comma key, and the key is going to be, let's say 4, and let me execute this. Okay, it says that missing one positional argument. Sorry, I shouldn't have included self here. Okay, now let me re-execute the definition and let me re-execute this, and it is saying that self is not defined. Again, we can just say, so I have made actually a lot of mistakes, and here, okay, and let me execute this, and this is true. So that element is found. So basically I had unnecessarily added that self here, and here I made a mistake in the recursive call. So basically these two are the base conditions, and this is the recursive call condition. And we know the members of the list. So let us actually search for a non-member, and that will be exciting. Let us just add one here. So it will be 14 and it should return false. So this is false. Okay. So it is actually traversing all the list, and then it is actually going here in the base case, and it is returning false. So this is how we can search recursively. And we have the specialty is that we have written this outside of that class definitions. So this is all about recursively searching an element in a singly linked list using Python programming. So in case you are looking for the code of this entire thing, you can just check the description section of this episode, and it is going to show you the URL to the GitHub repository where I have uploaded the code. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I will see you in the next episode.